Here is Timo from Food and me and Mohammed will represent our final project for the Cursive Lab project. And I would like to start with giving an info, shortly info about our project. So basically, Robin Food is a robot-based system which is working through app service, and we are aiming to balance the under usage and over usage of food, because I will give detailed info in the how we're gonna aim to balance the under and over usage of food. Our business model will be B2C. What is it stands for? It stands for our customers will be people who are medium and high economical level people, and who wants to share their foods, extra foods, in order not to allow their food to be wasted, and they can share it. So idea will based on this, and we will after bringing all the stuff, all the food from those kind of peoples, and we will sort and packing it. We will share it with the people who needs food, and we need to have done multiple jobs. One of them they are making app service, food collection, sorting, packing, food delivery, and promoting sustainable development. These are our 5 aims to be done in the next future. And our product, as I told you, will be multi-robot based systems, and my teammate and our robot developer Mehmet will give us about info about our app, and then we will continue.
So the initial version of our system only consists one robot, and that robot will do all of the jobs that's required. But because you asked us to use multiple robots for making it more complex and also more useful, we decided to create 2 different robots and use them in a way that they have a perception of one another, to understand which task will be held at the given time.
Also, I would like to mention about what brought us to working on this kind of project and this kind of idea was our current situation. COVID-19 has made most of the countries work on the health care and health situation, but it has different side, which is some people is working in the fields that it needs to be done in the environment, and in this current days they are not able, and we are aiming to help them with the food and for current situation, and we'll helping them. So this is one of the most important reason that we worked on this kind of project. As I mentioned earlier in our presentation, our system is based and located on the app service, because we just when we imagined our project, we decided it's supposed to be user-friendly and easy to use. As you can see, our model designed app here. Only it is it's so user-friendly app. So our users, our customers needs to only download our app through Google Play Store, and after downloading, they need to register, and they will have username and password, which is simplest authentication of the user easily. Then after logging in, they can decide which food they can want to share. Right now I'm gonna try to share one food, and we will put our display of the phones in the below of our presentation as well. And also I'm gonna decide how much do I want, because our mission is too simple. We don't want to people to share all their food with us, because this is not kind of old charity program. This is business model, so they are gonna share their extra food with us. So after they share, our server, or we can call it a computer, has connected to phones. Right now we have connected 2 different phones from 2 different brands. So, and our server has already know these 2 devices. When we order one food, want to share one food from one device, they already know the location of that device, because we already made it known, and other 2 as well. By the way, while talking about buildings and cities, I would like to ask you one interesting question. In Baku, Azerbaijan, we are living right next to one of the most historical towers. I want to ask you what's the name of that and the height of that tower. Please make sure that this question was asked by Dr. Saeed and we are really looking forward for your answer. Please let us know.